before the suspended players. Sabi ko, paano kayo nagkakaintindihan sa pitch? Na marunong na ba mag-Ilonggo ang Koreano? Sabi nila, no, they speak English. And we'll see how much ang communication nila ngayon, how well they communicate on the pitch.
Yun nga yung sinasabi nila, football is one thing that goes over all languages nga, di ba? Math and football lang daw yun. Ako, hindi ko maintindihan math, kaya football na lang.
Pero paano kaya sa Korea ng kaliwa?
Yun nga na. Throw in ulit para sa Stallion. This is a great opportunity for them. Cross. Oh, clearance. Pero it will stay with Stallion. Wants it. It is a goal kick. And one hook.
Uy, Sydney.
Take the kick. SPO.
SPO2.
SPO2. Sorry. Oh, there's the deflection. Saved by Queen City, so they'll have possession.
That's a good ball. If they can get to it a bit long para dito, para kay player ng Cebu Queen City United. For Garciano.
Yes.
Well, mga instructions ng mga coaches pag ganyan wet on the field. As we see at them, and sometimes you should test a goalkeeper, no? Kasi madulas ang bola, those balls can be pounced on.
Long kick by Alex Buaghong goes straight to the other goalie. Here come the rest of Stallion now.
Remember that first match of Stallions? Hindi gaano naglaro yung mga Korean players nila, but you can see right here, they have a number of their Korean players na naglalaro.
And syempre si Kim naglalaro dyan ng striker kasi balikan nga natin si Giovanni Simpron. Siya po yung base center ng Stallion. Siya po yung naka-goal. Isa sa mga naka-goal para sa Stallion against Global. Suspended po siya. And that's why Kim got the start here for Stallion.
Ang laro kasi ng Stallion is really a physical team, no? And inevitably, mga yellow, red cards sumusunod talaga. And I think the key now for Stallion is really just to keep their composure. Alam mo, I think kung team per team basis, I think the favorites has to be Stallion. But then, they have to keep their composure and use their physicality to their advantage.
Alam mo, maganda yung depensa na pinapakita ng midfield ng Cebu Queen City. Lahat ng mga passes na galing sa mga wingers ng Stallion, naaagapan nila yung mga midfield din ng Stallion. Cebu Queen City still looking for their first attempt on goal. And this might be it. But it is intercepted. Oh, balik na naman ngayon. And flag was raised. Will be foul, I believe. Free kick para sa Stallion.
Kumbaga sa boxing, parang simula pa lang tayo because talagang kinakapapa nila bawat isa, no? Not really many attempts on goal yet. Wala rin masyadong build-up sa play.
Much of the match being played in the middle third so far.
Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina eh, yung midfield has been deflecting a lot of the passes.
Onside!
Here's Ruben Doctora! Kim now, turning! Pinasa, ito na naman. Oh, the goal! Lee with the goal! Our first of the day, and yung unang goal ng Stallion since their win against Global all the way back to opening day.
Lots of time and space given the player.
Kung makikita natin kung when you look at this replay, you will see that like what the Ryan said, ang bagal ng reaction ng Cebu Queen City. There's actually two more passes for itong Stallions went for goal. You see, he's free here. No one even contesting him. Walang lumapit sa kanya. And he's all day to load up that left foot and pick a target.
Not only that, no, but he took 2 touches to set up his attempt. Alam mo, pag ganyan kalapit at meron ka pang time to set up that shot, talaga namang sure goal na yun. That defender should have done better, I think. Because tumayo na siya, hinawakan niya ang kanyang sarili to protect his private parts. When in fact, he should have at least nilabas niya yung paa niya to protect the goal.
But that goal all started with that run on the right side. nung na-break
10
ng
minutes.
Stallion yung depensa ng Cebu Queen City on that right side. They were already out of form.
Dapat
And then
sugaton
they
to.
had more numbers to that of Cebu Queen City near the box.
That was Ju Young Lee, number 47 ng Stallion, to get the first goal of the game. 10th minute po yung goal niya. And right on cue, bumagsak na po yung ulan dito sa Rizal Memorial.
We hope that isn't a sign of things to come for Cebu Queen City. Alam mo, with one goal down, sometimes you just feel that confidence sapping away from you, pero dapat wag, no? Because they really have to concentrate now more than anything else.
Here's the first attempt. Oh, into the box, pero it was dispossessed. And here comes Stallion again. Here's Doctora, tripped up. No foul called. At balik na naman dito ang Stallion on the offensive. Ganda ng tackle doon.
Stallion showing their physicality there. Si Ruben Doctora, merong konting extra motion. Napansin ng referee, sabi niya, hindi pwedeng ganyan. Kahit umuulan, bawal yan. Nakikita ko yan. And I know, you know what? Kasi may reputation na rin ng Stallion. That's why extra attention na binibigay ng referee sa kanila.
Here comes Delan. Christian Delan. Here's Garciano. Long cross. Oh! Great goalkeeping there by Munoz.
Safety first.
The score is now
Pasang Stallion defender.
Cebu Queen City led Manchester United FC 0.
The rain is really pouring down.
Pass.
Number 47, Lee Ju-young.
There was the official announcement of Lee's goal. And yun nga yung sinasabi mo kanina, Jason, na medyo bumabagal yung bola pag umuulan. Siyempre, bumabagal din yung mga players kasi bibigat naman yung mga jersey nila. Tsaka medyo nahihirapan din sila mag-push up din sa mga paa nila eh.
Yes, that's right. And even their boots become a little bit heavier as well.
Stallion. Passing it all the way back. Here's a through ball. And Cebu Queen City intercepting that pass. Delan. Swinging it over. Garciano. Hinahanap niya si Kahilig. Kahilig. Great footwork. Cross. Cebu still with the ball. First shot.
Yay!
Goal. Too strong.
Kapit.
Pero that's a good sign there from Cebu Queen City.
More positive action now from Cebu, and that's what they need because they cannot just sit down and wait for counter-attacks. Dapat sila dumidiretso ngayon because they have to take the game now. I think to Stallion with the one-goal lead.
There's Braga. Swinging it over. Gustilo. At saka Francis Gustilo po, kailangan yung bantayan yan kahit saan sa buong pitch.
Because he can score that 45-yarder.
Yes, 45 yards out ng unang, yan po yung unang goal ng UFL Cup. And it was a beauty of a goal. Here comes Cebu Queen City.
Wala.
Backline ng Stallion.
Ayaw mabaling na, nahin pa pa
here. Here comes Ruben Doctora. Nahanap si Braga, hindi walang handball doon.
Yes, that's going to be a
Handball.
handball.
And this is a dangerous situation para sa Cebu Queen City. Within striking range po ito.
I mean, you've got someone like Ansing Gustilo there in your team, and no distance is safe.
Let's see who will take it, whether it will be Braga or Gustilo. I know, I believe it is, yes, Braga or Gustilo. Nag-uusap na sila ngayon kung sinong sisipa. Tignan natin kung bumukas itong wall na to. Braga, there's the kick. Doctora, sinubukan ibalik kay Gustilo. Long kick!
I believe that was a training ground free kick.
Yes.
Now misplaced na yung final pass. As you can see there, see 3 passes there supposed to be para sa for one Stallion player to attempt.